Hi, I'm Andrew, and today I'm going to talk to you about something truly spectacular. The Yoga Slim 7i Pro X, or the Lenovo Slim 7i Pro X in North America. Sporting the new 12th Gen Intel Core H-Series processors, up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card, Lenovo's brand new X-Power custom tuning, and a gorgeous 14.5-inch PureSight display. The Yoga Slim 7i Pro X truly gives you the power to create anywhere. Notice my use of the word anywhere. To really demonstrate that, we need to showcase this incredibly thin and light CNC unibody design. This is where powerful performance meets premium mobility. With a 1.45 kilogram chassis that's engineered out of 6000 series aluminum and tailored with a sleek comfort edge design to maximize strength and comfort. Long creative sessions are made much more seamless with the rounded edge, and I just love how my wrists don't dig into something sharp for 8 hours a day. The model I have here is an awesome dark teal, but this laptop also comes in a cloud gray color scheme. Packing top spec performance wherever you go has never been so easy. The performance on the Yoga Slim 7i Pro X is where this laptop truly shines. 12th Gen Intel Core H-Series processors provide the latest CPU technology, while up to 32 gigs LPDDR5 memory upgrades and up to a 1 terabyte solid-state drive make the cut on this next generation machine. The Yoga Slim 7i Pro X also comes with up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 mobile graphics card, enhancing your creative prowess by day and your immersive gaming experience by night. This laptop is also NVIDIA Studio validated, supercharging your creative process and letting you render quicker, broadcast clearer, and edit videos better with truly next-gen performance. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see what Gerardo from the NVIDIA Studio team has to say about the Yoga Slim 7i Pro X.
Thank you, Andrew. We're so excited to bring the power of NVIDIA GeForce RTX GPUs and NVIDIA Studio to the thin and beautiful design of the Yoga Slim 7i Pro X. With a GeForce RTX 3050, this laptop is fantastic for content creation. Not only is it remarkably fast, but this RTX GPU also includes dedicated hardware to speed up the most demanding content creator workflows, including ray tracing cores that let you edit 3D models in full photorealistic detail, dedicated video encoders and decoders to make editing complex video a breeze, plus tensor cores to accelerate AI features that automate tedious tasks and let new and inspiring creators use advanced effects and tools. The Yoga Slim 7i Pro X is part of our NVIDIA Studio platform, aimed at helping creators do what they love better, smarter, and faster. All the top creative apps have been optimized to run faster on RTX and are more stable thanks to the pre-installed NVIDIA Studio drivers. You also get access to exclusive NVIDIA apps and tools, such as Broadcast for live streaming, Canvas to use AI to paint beautiful landscapes from simple doodles, and Omniverse for advanced 3D design and collaboration. With RTX GPUs and NVIDIA Studio, you spend less time waiting and more time creating. And when your work is done, you can relax playing the latest games with GeForce gaming technology, including ray tracing and DLSS. We're extremely excited to share the news with all of you about this laptop, and can't wait for you guys to try it. Back to you, Andrew.
I think the question on a lot of people's minds is, how did we pack so much power into such a thin and light device? The answer is the brand new Lenovo X-Power custom tuning. X-Power is a proprietary custom performance tuning solution designed to maximize performance in an ultra-thin design. Stacking powerful performance-pushing hardware and software technologies, X-Power supercharges your PC beyond conceivable limits with fine-tuned high-performance hardware, turbo matrix for CPU and GPU dynamic power control, cutting-edge software scenario tuning, and leading thermal design power. The power to create anywhere is only made possible with the new Lenovo X-Power. Such a powerful laptop inevitably needs a powerful screen. And that's why we've included a stunning 3K 120Hz PureSight display, your creative window to the world. 100% sRGB color space and 100% sRGB color volume are Delta E less than 1 hardware calibrated for true-to-life accuracy. And eye-safe technology from TÜV Hardware Low Blue Light certification keeps your eyes safe and comfortable for extended creative sessions. We've even included optional touch support. And that's it for the Yoga Slim 7i Pro X. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.